Here you guys go. The best ham and cheese you ever have. What's good, BF fam? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions. Beats and Feasts, you know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. Today I thought I'd bring to you just simply the best ham and cheese sandwich you've ever had. So it's a real simple sandwich, but it packs a flavor. It packs all the flavor in the world. So guys, sit back, relax, enjoy the video. If you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some ham and cheese. Alright, so the supporting cast is real simple. Got my Black Forest ham. You have to stick with the Black Forest ham. It's the best ham there is. I got some onions that I'm going to caramelize. I want to get those on the grill as soon as possible. I got my French bread here. These are little sandwich rolls. We're going to smush this down. Kind of like a Cuban sandwich almost. And then I got a little bit of Dijon mustard, some Miracle Whip, salt and pepper to taste. Secret ingredient, a little bit of sugar. Not a whole lot. We're not trying to make the onions sweet, but a little bit of sugar on the onions, the caramelization. And we're going to put some butter in there, of course. Alright guys, so let's get started putting this together. By the way, we're doing this on the flat top griddle, which is the Steelmadeusa griddle. If you want one, there's a link in my description. It goes right over there. Right now we're getting 10% off if you use Big Tone as your product code. So this is my Steelmadeusa griddle. If you've never seen it before, it turns your stovetop into a flat top in a matter of seconds. You can get one of these. Matter of fact, they even got it now so you can make payments on it. All you got to do is click the link in my description, and it'll take you to the website, give you 10% off, and simple as that. All right, let's get those onions on here. Let's get all of them. So we're going to put my onions back here. I missed a couple. There we go. We don't want to cook these too fast. We just want to caramelize them up. So just put it on a medium heat. Right off the bat, I'm going to season them up with some salt and pepper, a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt. A little bit of black pepper. That should be good. So we're gonna let those sit there and let them really start to caramelize. We're gonna let those sit there. It'll take a few minutes, and then we'll get started with the rest of the sandwich. Look at those onions. Look how they're starting to caramelize. Oh, that's nice. It smells so good. All right, I just wanted to show you guys how they were caramelizing up. I'm gonna sprinkle my little bit of sugar on them. Not a lot. We're not trying to make them sweet onions. We're just trying to get that sweetness to come out. Put a little bit of sugar on them. Ooh, it does the world for them. Alright, so we're going to leave these alone. We're going to go over here and start putting the sandwich together. So I'm going to put the French roll here on the grill just for a second, just to get a little toastiness on the inside of it. And then we're going to put the other ingredients on there. Look at those onions. Ooh, Lord. Ah, yeah, that's what they're looking like. There we go. So let's start piecing this together. I can't talk today. So we're going to take our cheese first. Put a little base of cheese on here. There we go. Now we're going to pile our ham on this. And don't be stingy with the ham. Make it a sandwich. One more piece. There we go. Alright. Next thing we're going to put on here is some onions. Alrighty, look at that. Oh my Lord. That's heaven right there. Alright, and then we're going to put Nut some more cheese on top as a binder to hold it all together. Look at that. And let's get the lid, so to speak. Gonna put a little bit of mayo on here. Our Miracle Whip is what I like. Put whatever you want. A little bit of Miracle Whip and a tad bit of Dijon mustard. I don't like a whole lot of Dijon, but just a little bit helps it out. And we're going to place this right on top. Push it down. And we're going to grab a little bit of butter here. Take it over to the grill. And I'll meet you over there with the sandwich. Alright, so we're going to place our sandwich right here on the grill. We're going to put a little weight on it. Smash it down a little bit. We're going to get that nice and toasted. We're going to leave it on there for a couple minutes till it gets toasted, and then we're going to flip it over. Do the same thing on the other side. It'll be the best ham and cheese you ever had. Oh man, look at this, guys. Oh, I want you to see something. I want you to hear something. Listen. Oh, that's nice. Let me cut this real quick. Ham and cheese on the Steelmadeusa griddle. The best one you're ever gonna have, guys. You gotta give it a try. But I'm gonna get that bite here in just a second. Here you guys go. The best ham and cheese you ever have. Let me get that bite. Oh man. Guys, this is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Hey, if you enjoyed the video, do me a favor. Just go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.